Many of your directors and wives say she watched her husband get gunned down while jet skiing in the Texas-Mexico border. The shooting of David Hartley happened on the Mexican side of Falcon Lake. David's wife, Tiffany Hartley, reported the attack with police who joined us live, and we are also joined by David's sister, Nikki. Good evening to both of you, and I must say, it's always so awkward, what to say to family members at these horrible moments. Pardon me if I'm clumsy in how I ask these questions, but Tiffany, what happened?
David and I were on the Mexico side taking pictures, and we're heading back. We had some boats come after us and started chasing us and started shooting at us. Had several bullets going over me and two behind me, and I looked back and David was hit.
Were you riding side by side?